Okay, here goes. I'm going to show you how to make this tutu. It's made out of tulle fabric, and I'm going to show you how to make the 3 layers. I'll give you the measurements in a while, but these are the supplies that you're going to need. So step 1, we're going to gather the supplies. And this is the supply list. You're going to need a ruler, tulle fabric, and the tulle fabric that I chose is 5 3/4 wide, a knit headband, scissors, stay flow liquid starch, and that's optional, that's if you want to make it more stiffened, and a spray bottle in order to mix the stay flow and to spray it on your tutu. Okay, the ruler, it could be any ruler, it doesn't really matter. The tulle fabric, these are the spools that I have, and this is a little sticker that was around it. It says 5 3/4, and they come by 10 yards. Some come by more, but that's one that I have. And then the knit headbands, they're these, and they're stretchy. You're able to stretch them out. And scissors, and then the stay flow liquid is this one, and the spray bottle. And I use a shoebox in order to put the headband through, but you could use a paper towel roll or anything, just as long as it's stretched out and you could see each little division. Okay, in regards to the tulle, how much tulle will you need? In my first layer, I used 10 yards. In the second layer, I used 12 yards. And in the third layer, I used 14 yards. And let's see. Step number 2, the preparation. We're going to go ahead and cut the tulle. And this is why I use that many yards. In the first layer, I cut 12 inches long. I actually made an indication from here all the way to here, and that would be 12 inches. And then the next one is 14 inches and then 16 inches. And you're going to cut 12 inches for the first layer, and you're going to cut 30 pieces of 12 inches. For the second layer, it goes the same, 14 inches and you're going to need 30 pieces of 14 inches. And for the third layer, you're going to need 30 pieces of 16 inches. So that's why it equals to how much tulle you're going to need, which is 10 yards for the first layer, 12 yards for the second, and 14 yards for the third. Okay, the tulle that I'm going to use, or the one that I usually use, has glitter in it because it's more stiff than the regular tulle. I'm going to do a white, blue, or a blue, white, and blue one. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it out right now.